How was that dealing with them?
Fantastic. She's amazing. She actually came to my house for a meeting to go do a walkthrough, which was really amazing because I'm sure she has, 50 billion, especially with these fires on the west side, hundreds of clients. But she came to my house and did a walkthrough, which was really nice. And I have her cell phone number. I text her. I call her. She responds immediately, and it's been great. Never been in a fire, so when I picked up the phone and I came home, we couldn't come home for 4 or 5 days. When I finally got home on like day 5 after the fire, I actually snuck up the street around all the police and came in, and I was shocked at what was going on in my house. I was surprised to see these large burnt pieces of wood and this soot, and it was crazy. I picked up the phone and I was like, what do I called Marissa and I said, hey, and she was right away. She set everything up. She said, don't do anything. I had scheduled cleaners to come in because I thought, we need to clean up. And she said, no, before you have the cleaners come in, because this can be dangerous. And she could have said to me, just go ahead and have the cleaners come in. She said, no, stop, wait. You need to have a restoration company come in and take a look because this stuff is dangerous and it's unhealthy and there could be stuff you don't realize. And so she gave me the number and set everything up. And honestly, really, Allied kind of is taking care of everything for me. I don't know if they do that all the time. I expect I'm no one special, but if I have any issue or anything going on, I text Dana at Allied, and she, I'm spoiled maybe. Am I?